We touch, I feel a rush. We clutch, it isn't much, but it's enough to make me wonder what's in store for us. It's lust, it's torturous. You must be a sorceress, cause you just did the impossible. Gain my trust. Don't play games, it'll be dangerous if you fuck me over. Cause if I get burnt, I'ma show you what it's like to hurt. Cause I've been treated like dirt before you, and love is evil. Spell it backwards, I'll show you. Nobody knows me, I'm cold. Walk down this road all alone. It's no one's fault but my own. It's the path I've chosen to go. Frozen in snow, I show no emotion whatsoever. So don't ask me why I have no love for these blood-sucking succubuses. What the is off with this? I've tried in this department, but I ain't had no luck with this. It sucks, but it's exactly what I thought it would be. Like trying to start over. I got a hole in my heart, but some kind of emotional roller coaster. Something I won't go on, so you toy with my emotions. It's over, it's like an explosion. Every time I hold you, I wasn't joking when I told you. You take my breath away. You're a supernova, and I'm a spacebound rocket ship, and your heart's the moon. And I'm aiming right at you, right at you. 250,000 miles on a keen altitude, and I'm aiming right at you, right at you, right at you. I'll do whatever it takes. When I'm with you, I get the shakes. My body aches when I ain't with you. I have zero strength. There's no limit on how far I would go. No boundaries, no lengths. Why do we say that until we get that person that we think's gonna be that one? And then once we get them, it's never the same. You want them when they don't want you. Soon as they do, feelings change. It's not a contest, and I ain't on no conquest for no mate. I wasn't looking when I stumbled onto you. Must have been fate, but so much at the stake. What the does it take? Let's cut to the chase, but the door shuts in your face. Promise me if I cave in and break and leave myself open, that I won't be making a mistake. Cause I'm a spacebound rocket ship, and your heart's the moon. And I'm aiming right at you, right at you. 250,000 miles on a keen altitude, and I'm aiming right at you, right at you, right at you. So after a year and 6 months, it's no longer me that you want. But I love you so much it hurts. Never mistreated you once. I pour my heart out to you. Let down my guard, swear to God. I'll put my in your lap, lay here and die in your arms. Drop to my knees and I'm bleeding. I'm trying to stop you from leaving. You won't even listen, so f it. I'm trying to stop you from breathing. I put both on your. I sit on top of you, squeezing till I spin like a popsicle stick. Ain't a possible reason I can think of to let you walk about this house and let you live. Tears stream down both of my cheeks. Then I let you go and just give. Before I put that into my, well, I told you this. And I will do anything for you, to show you how much I told you. But it's over now, it's too late to save our love. Just promise me you'll think of me every time you look up in the sky and see a star. Cause I'm a spacebound rocket ship, and